Hey guys! In today's video, I want to test out a website that pays you for downloading an app. I made $180 in just 30 minutes from the site, and I even figured out how to transfer the money to my wallet. Before we dive into testing the site, make sure to like the video if you want me to try out more sites like this. I've put the link to the site in the description. Signing up is super easy. I recommend just clicking on Google and entering your email. You can choose whether you want to download the app on iPhone or Android. I have both, so it doesn't really matter to me. It shows a barcode here, and I'll scan it with my phone. Then I'll install the app. It takes a little while before it shows your money. They even have computer games. Look, they just gave me $5 right now. I started installing different apps on both Android and iPhone, and even some websites. I got it up to $45, but I thought if I'm gonna transfer the money, it should be a decent amount. It doesn't take that long anyway. In total, about 45 minutes passed, and I installed around 30 apps, spending some time on a few of them. $185. For the time I spent, that's really good money. I went to cash it out, and even if you run into issues, they have online support. After about 20 minutes, I got a golden notification. They took $5 for the fee. If you want me to introduce more sites like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel.